Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to block websites on Brave Mobile. Right, you have two options. So first option is by using the Brave settings. Okay, open up Brave, go to the bottom right, tap on three dots, tap on settings right here. Now go to find site settings. Okay, tap on it. Now scroll down a bit and find JavaScript. Tap on it. Now go ahead and add site exceptions. For example, you wanted to block YouTube. Okay, so this is mobile. You're going to have to type in m.youtube.com. All right, and hit on add. If you want to block Facebook, well, add in m.facebook.com. All right, hit on add. Now let's go ahead and test it out. Let's open up Brave right here. Search for youtube.com. It will just automatically convert to M. Okay, as you can see here, it just infinitely loads up. It doesn't actually work. Okay, another option is by using a third-party app. You can go ahead and find BlockSite on your Play Store or App Store or any other app. Okay, just install it, follow the simple prompts. As you can see here, you can go ahead and add sites or apps that you wanted to block. And once that's done, you're good to go. That is it. That is how you block websites on Brave, especially on mobile. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.